AI is everywhere right now. It's exciting, it's powerful, and it's changing the way we use digital signage. From automation to personalization to detailed analytics, AI has the potential to completely transform how businesses communicate on screens. But like any new technology, AI also comes with the risks. And if you're thinking about weaving it into your digital signage strategy, it's worth taking a step back and asking, what could go wrong and how do we avoid it? That's exactly what we'll cover today. First, we'll look at the most common risks that AI bring businesses when using it in a digital signage strategy. Think of data as the fuel that AI runs on. In order to learn, adapt, and deliver insights, AI systems need to consume massive amounts of information. This allows them to recognize patterns, generate recommendations, and personalize experiences. But here's the catch. The more data an AI system collects, the bigger the risk of data misuse, breaches, or privacy violations. And it's not just about security, it's also about trust. If customers feel uncomfortable with how much information is being gathered, they might not even want to engage with your digital signage in the first place. So whilst data is powerful, we also need to handle it responsibly. Another big challenge is bias. AI learns from the data it's trained on. And yes, much of the data collected by AI is accurate and reliable. But unfortunately, a lot of public data is flawed. If the data isn't diverse or representative, the AI's output won't be either. And that bias doesn't just stay in the system, it gets amplified. In the context of digital signage, this can mean unfair targeting, inaccurate personalizations, and in the worst case, marketing that crosses ethical lines. So even though AI seems neutral, it's really only as fair and accurate as the data behind it. Finally, let's talk about authenticity. One of the biggest appeals of AI is automation. It can write copy, schedule campaigns, analyze results, and manage entire workflows. This is great when it frees up time to focus on the bigger picture, such as strategy and creativity. But here's the downside. If everything is automated, where's your authentic brand voice? When messages are generated and deployed without human oversight, they can lose the personality and uniqueness that makes your brand stand out. And in marketing, especially in something as visual as digital signage, authenticity is everything. Without it, even the smartest AI-driven campaigns can fall flat. So how do you overcome these risks without losing out on the huge potential that AI has to offer? There are 3 key steps. The first step is awareness. Stay up to date on both the benefits and the risks of AI so you can identify issues early, before they become real problems. Decide how your organization will use AI tools and put those rules into writing. Having a consistent framework keeps your team's use of AI both ethical and productive. AI should never be left on autopilot. Make sure people are reviewing, editing, and approving what AI produces, whether it's content, personalization, or campaign management. That way, your brand voice and values always shine through. At Yodeck, we see AI as a game changer for digital signage. When applied thoughtfully, it has the potential to do far more than just automate tasks. It can help businesses communicate more effectively, deliver content that really resonates with their audiences, and streamline operations in ways that weren't possible before. We believe this technology, when used responsibly, can truly elevate how organizations think about and use digital signage, but we also recognize the risks. That's why we're here to help you understand the technology so you can use it with confidence and make the most of what it has to offer. If you'd like to explore Yodeck's AI-powered features for yourself, head over to our website at yodeck.com. And when you're ready to dive in, sign up for free. Thanks for watching, and here's to making AI work for you, not against you.